gagawin ko? Ano?
You want to say hello to anyone?
Hindi na ako.
Yes, Mama.
Talking to who? Hello?
Leave a message.
Hi, this is mom. This is, Money is there. I can see him. But I just want to send a message that I love you all.
You have to go to the camera. Maybe you see something. Look, come here.
Hindi na, oh. Ayoko na. Nanunood ako eh. Hindi ko tuloy nakikita yung mga pagkain. Kain ng kain itong isa. Napupuno na yung bibig niya ng kakakain. Huyanan
Who
ko
visited
na.
you today, Mama?
Ah?
Who visited you today?
Oh, sa King Seat, King Drive.
Who did you see today?
Si Janet, si Vicky, si Jing, Lingham.
Anong bigay ni Janet?
Binigyan niya tayo ng ano? Liver, dinner.
Did you like it?
Yes, I like it very much.
What about Vicky?
Si Vicky nagbigay ng lugaw and Chinese thing. Lugaw. Tapos nagbigay si Jing ng ano, ice cream, ube. Binigay daw ni June.
What about your dress? Who gave you a dress?
Oh, Vicky gave me a dress from Marshall.
Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it. Naku, kain sila ng kain, no?
Are you excited to see Kajun?
Of course, I need to talk to him soon. I'm gonna call him.
You want to see if he's on Skype?
Try.